Whenever you're configuring an IP in an PC, right? You just will not give only an IP. Along with IP, you will be configuring subnet mask. Okay, subnet mask. What is subnet mask? Subnet mask helps identify network and host portion of the network. See, my switch, and I have around 10 pieces here, right? I'll be using my range of 192.168.1.0. Okay, and my subnet mask would be 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 0. Okay, it is also a 32-bit number. Okay, what is the meaning of 255, 255, 255, and what is the meaning of 0? Actually, it's a 32-bit, right? 32-bit. No, I just write like this. One. Okay, from 1 to 8 bits dot 9 to 16 bits dot 17 to 24 bits dot 25 to 32 bits, right? For suppose think like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, same here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have dot 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 dot, right? Now I'm telling 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 0, right? In the sense it is 0 here, tells that every bit is 0 here. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here 255 says we are having 8 bits: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, and 2 power 7, right? And this will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. Now adding all these, what will be the value? 255, right? Same here, 255 means every bit in this octet are up. Then only the value comes, the sum of that values comes to 255. Same here, right? Subnet mask, in subnet mask, if till whatever the bits are on, right? In my example I have taken 3 octets have 255, 255, 255. In the sense all the 3 octets bits are up. It means that for my IP 192.168.1.0, These three octets, this octet are the network, is the network portion. And whatever the zero I have, here it is zero. It means it is the host portion, right? Whatever you think, network portion will never be changed. Network portion will always be same, but host portion will be varying according to the PC. One PC will be having one host IP, the one host part. Another PC will be having the another host. But network portion for all these PCs will be one. Then only these all PCs come under one network. These all devices come under one network. Okay, this is the subnet mask. So you got what is the subnet mask? Subnet mask says in the IP up to what portion is the network portion and what portion is host portion. This is told by subnet mask. That's what I'm saying. Helps identify network and host portion of the network. And default subnet mask for class A is 8. That is 255.0.0.0. Instead of writing this whole thing, you can also just write like this 8. How many number of bits are up? Okay. Instead of I can write an IP address in two ways. One is 192.168.1.1. This is my IP slash 24. In the sense, these first 24 bits are up. So first 24 bits belong to network portion, and the last remaining 8 bits are host portion, right? Or else 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So I can denote an IP in two ways. One is this and one is this, right? So this is my class A subnet mask. This is my class B subnet mask. This is my class C subnet mask, right? Class A will be having 255.0.0.0. Class B will be having 255.255.0.0. Class A will be having 255.255.0.0, right? And usually this is typically called classful addresses. If any IP, see, if I am considering my IP, which is a range of 10.0.0.0, okay, this is my network. For suppose think this is my IP 10.0.0.1, and I have subnet mask of 8, then it will be classful address. In the sense, the network is not divided. Whatever the thing is allotted to you, you're using complete network. Then it will be the classful, right? This point, don't confuse. This point you will be understanding in the next slide. Okay? I got you. I can see your face. You're confused. But up to this part, you got it, right? What is a class A, class B, class C, right? Yeah. Now let us see public, private, and reserved classes, IP ranges. Yeah, as I told you already, IP for address public and private. IP addresses leased to a corporation are known as public IP addresses, right? IP addresses that are unregistered and may overlap from one company to the next are known as private IP addresses. I'm simplifying it. If you are taking an ISP connection, you will get an IP. For suppose think that your IP is 100.100.100.100, right? This is your IP. In the world, wherever you go and check in the public network, you will never find 100 or 100 or 100 or 100. You will only be having this IP. It is leased to you. The term till which you have taken this the time, the whatever the lease you have taken from the ISP, for that time you will be having this IP, and you cannot find this IP nowhere. You can find this IP except for you. That is public range. If you are allotted with an public IP, it will be unique. You cannot see that IP anywhere in the world again. It will not be repeated, right? And now, what is private IP range? Private IP addresses, these are unregistered and may overlap from one company to the next, right? Now I have a company, right, and I have around some thousands of pieces, right? Now I need to have some IP, I need to have some IP range. Okay, I need to have some IP range in order to make these pieces communicate internally, right? For that purpose, I need some IP range. For all the thousand pieces, I cannot get the thousand IPs from the public network. You will never do it. First thing is it will be very much expensive, right? You cannot use the public range here, okay? But in order to make your pieces internally communicate, ultimately the basic thing is you want an IP in order to communicate between two pieces. The two pieces need an IP, then only they can be able to communicate, right? Then what is the solution here? You will have private IP range. These are not reserved, okay? And now you're having one company and I'm having one. I can use 10 network. You can also use 10 network. But if your PCs want to communicate to the public, right? If your PCs want to communicate with the public, then at the router, whatever the IP you are using, it will be changed to the public IP. Now you got the thing, right? Whatever the private network IP you have, once that it has to communicate with the public network, that private IP will never come out of your LAN. Okay, whatever the public IP is assigned to you, that will be communicating behalf of your private network. Okay, so now you are having 10 network, I'm having 10 network, right? Everyone can use this private network, but once if they want to communicate with the public, only public IP can be used. Whatever the public IP they have, that will be used. Then how this private IP changes from private IP to public IP, that is another concept we'll be learning as we go.